do when your parakeet is losing its feathers? When your parakeet's losing its feathers, there's nothing wrong with it. It's just molting. When your bird molts, your bird starts to lose its feathers. It could be its head feathers, tail feathers, body feathers. My bird has been molting its tail feathers. So when your bird is molting, it might change its behavior. Like, it may avoid you more than it really usually would. But yeah, there's nothing wrong with it when it loses its feathers.